Welcome back to another update from the Camp Nou, where the transformation of Barcelona's legendary stadium continues to take shape. Step by step, new progress can be seen across every section of the ground. From freshly poured concrete and newly installed slabs to work on the diamond structure and the first glimpses of the future facade, there's plenty of exciting development happening on site. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future updates. Let's take a closer look at how the stadium is evolving this week. Work here is moving at a very good pace. Several hollow core slabs have already been placed, and concrete pours are underway. Some of the access gates in this area are now clear of fences, preparing the stadium for reopening, which is still expected around the end of November. The stairs have been freshly painted, and overall the zone looks much safer and cleaner, though there are still materials stored on the ground. This section is also advancing quickly. Almost half of the hollow core slabs are already in place, and workers are filling the gaps between beams and plates with wood and concrete. From here, you can really see the scale of the progress as more of the stand structure takes its final shape. In the corner areas, much of the formwork and temporary supports have been removed, which means the new slabs have already cured. This is a strong sign that the upper levels are structurally ready for the next stages. The diamond-shaped section is also becoming more defined, showing steady progress with its unique design now easier to recognize. On the lateral side of the stadium, new beams and reinforcement bars are being placed. Construction crews continue to set up scaffolding and prepare for additional pours. This section shows strong progress and is expected to advance rapidly over the next few weeks. From the outside, it's now possible to see how this side will connect seamlessly with the rest of the stands. In the parking area, workers are also busy placing beams and preparing rebar cages. The pace is consistent, and judging by the activity here, this whole zone could be completed in the coming weeks. Once finished, most of the heavy exterior work around the stadium will be close to done. The cleared sections already give a sense of the space that will soon be available for use. At the south goal, work is focused on the structural supports. Recently, some of these brackets were removed, and crews are now reinstalling them with the help of cranes. One Escuadra is still pending, as workers resolve earlier issues to ensure the structure is secure. Around the stadium, there are several smaller updates worth noting. Some staircases have been recently painted, giving a cleaner and more finished look. Temporary wooden panels are still being used to cover small gaps between beams and slabs, ensuring safety before final sealing. In a few sections, protective nets are still missing, though their installation is expected soon. Scaffolding remains active in certain points, especially near service zones, where workers continue fine adjustments. Construction materials are neatly arranged on site, showing clear preparation for the next stages of work. Overall, the Camp Nou is advancing at a fast rhythm. The exterior works are nearing completion, with concrete pours, staircases, and access points already in place. Soon, attention will turn to the interiors, which won't be as visually striking but are just as important for finishing the project. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to the Global Mega Builds, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.